Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google, select Google Password Manager, and click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Lastly, enter your current login method, tap on Delete button, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!